So guys, ipiplex ko lang yung birthday gift ng isa sa aking mga spiritual siblings. Thank you so much sa kanyang regalo. You know what guys, trivia, one of my favorite food is chocolates. And this is Goya Cuadritos, crispy wafers with rich chocolate filling. And this one is Pipero. Ayan. And guys, I'm so blessed to have my spiritual children. Salamat, maraming salamat Kuya Danny for this wonderful gift. I really appreciate it. Thank you for this gift. It means a lot to me. Salamat anak. God bless you more and always take care sa iyong pagtatrabaho. And ingat ka lagi. Ano man yung pinagdaraanan mo sa ngayon, kayang-kaya mo yan, anak. Just have faith to the Lord and trust Him fully, and He will bless you indeed because God never fails. He will never leave us nor forsaken us. God bless you na. Salamat Kuya Danny. God bless.